Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add products to Shopify store 2025. So guys, welcome back. You've just set up your Shopify store and you're ready to start selling. In this tutorial I'll walk you through how to add products to your Shopify store step by step. That's including images, a description, and a price. And then we can go through the process together. So your first step would be to just simply open up your browser and log on to Shopify. So make sure you're on the Shopify menu. Once you get to Shopify, all you need to do is at the home section, if you haven't added a product, just go ahead and click on the add product option you find here. Or you could use the import option if you are importing from another account or from another platform. You can also do this by clicking on the products menu you find at the top left side of your screen. You could just simply click on products here and go ahead and click. Alright, so alternatively, you could simply add products on your Shopify by simply clicking on the products icon at the top left corner of your screen on this sidebar. So now just go ahead and click on the add products option you find on your screen. Once you've clicked on add, we have the basic add products. We have the title, we have description. If you scroll a bit more, you can add media. It accepts images, videos, and 3D models. We have category, we have pricing, we have charge tax on this product, cost per item, profit, margin, compare at price, inventory, quantity, shipping, product weight, variance. You can also add custom information and also search engine listing. So add a title and a description to see how this product might appear in a search engine listing. All right. So, and on the other side, we have the status of your product. Is it an active product or is it a draft? The publishing, is it going to your online store or a point of sale? The production, that's the type, the vendor, the collections, tags, theme templates as well. It's set to default product for now. All right, so how do you go about adding a simple product to your Shopify? First off, just go ahead and settle on the title for your product. If it's a shirt, if it's a track suit, if it's a jumpsuit, any kind of material. If you're selling edibles, you could have them up on your site as well. So just go ahead and simply add the title of what you want to add or what you want to sell. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in t-shirt. All right, so once you've entered, you can now give it a description. And then once you've added it, make sure you also have existing media. If you do not, you could simply get your media from your browser. You could just simply find any images of what you're trying to sell. If it's a mug, a shoe, a shirt, a trouser, underwear, you could just simply have medias like this readily available. And then if you're looking to upload them, just click on upload new or select existing if you've uploaded already. So go ahead and click on upload new. All right, and from here, just go ahead and enter your downloads if your files are on the download, and then simply select the custom t-shirt you have planned and click on open. And by doing this, we have successfully uploaded our first media sample. This is what the t-shirt would have. And then the category is automatically set, but you could go ahead and select the category if it doesn't automatically fill one out for you. And then we can move on to pricing. So pricing is basically based off of where you stay, what continent you're on, your country of residence, and things like that. So you're basically selling in your local currency. If you're looking for international sales, you're going to have to simply head into your settings and change the currency and things like that. And then we also have cost per item. So the cost per item could be something like this. And then you could just simply scroll through and make sure your inventory is trackable. The quantity, you could simply set up a quantity. If you have more than one shop, you could simply set up locations for your shop, and then you could also continue selling the product when you're out of stock. And this product has an SKU or barcode. You could simply add this in as well. And then shipping. This is a physical product, yes, unless you're selling digital shirts. But if you're not and it's a physical product, all you need to do is just go ahead and add the weight. You could add it in kilograms, you could add it in ounces, pounds, or grams. Let's just put it at 1 kilogram or half a kilogram. And then you could also add some other custom information. We also have variants like colors, sizes. All you need to do is click on this and select the variant you want to use, or you could create a custom variant. You could select the multicolor. If you have other colors, you could go ahead and add images to the multicolored and how many are available. You can see the total inventory at shop locations are two available. So you could just set it up to, let's say, 2000. If you have up to 2000 shirts, you could just set them up there. And then you could also set up the category meta fields like the age groups, neckline, sleeve length, and things like that. And then this is what it's going to look like. So when someone searches up a simple looking t-shirt, they're going to find the price and your link. So once you're done, you could just go ahead and click on save at the bottom right. But if you head over to the top, we have the product organization. So basically it's for Shopify. If you have an organization you're working with, you could just simply enter the type of organization, the vendor, the collections, and the tags. All right, so once you're done, you could also click on save at the top right corner here. Once you click on save, you should find this product is available to look at if you head into your inventory or your products list. So once you've clicked on save, just head over to products and you find them there, or you head into inventory and you find them there as well. A little pop-up says product created. So if you were to click on it, it would lead you directly to this product. All right, and it says here, congratulations, you've added your first product. You could continue setting up your store if you're not done with it. You could duplicate your product. As you can see, the product is set here and it's active. You could preview it. You could share it. That's basically sharing the links. And also, if you head under more actions, you could archive your product or delete it and start over again. And it is possible to edit the product as far as you're still on the product menu. So just head into products here, click on it, and you should find your products. All right, so heading back, this is what it looks like: the product, the status, the inventory, category, and channels. So basically, how you're selling them. It's basically an online store and a point of sale. So we have two channels for it, both the online store and point of sale. Now, if you're looking to add more products, you could. If you're looking to import from other stores, you could. If you're looking to export, you can. So, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.